Hi guys, Yvette and Chris Vano here. Gonna go through some great features of a visual task management tool called DropTask. I have already created an account, so I'm going to log in over on the right. And this is a great tool to use for students as well as for adults. It's perfect to get rid of to-do lists. And I've used it for homework assignments. So if you see, I've already created one group. This is the IST 611 group, and it has all the assignments that I have to do in the class. So we're gonna, if you click up on the top, you'll see all the projects. That's the only project that I have, and I will resume with that project, and we're gonna create a new group for my next class. So I click over on this end, bring the bubble over. I can switch the colors right on the bottom right here. I'll make that one purple, and I give it a group name, and this is going to be for my IST 668 class. Create group. Then same process, click on the bubble, drag it over. That would be for the assignments. And since I've already done this, the assignments are already there. I don't have to type it in. So I'm just going to do the same steps for all three assignments. And create the third one. I'm gonna go over to the bottom right and zoom out just a little so I can see a full screen. Now once I have my tasks created, which are also my assignments, I click on assignment 1 and a menu pops up on the right hand side, and on this menu is where I give it all the settings. So I am going to start by adding a due date to assignment 1. Right up on the top you see a little calendar. Add the due date. These are the statuses, and the assignment 1 is in progress. You can either on hold, not started, in progress, or completed. Urgencies are over on this end. The importance, low importance, normal, high, and very high, and how much effort it took. I'm going to just say small effort, and then you could give it a small description. And if you're working with other people on this task, you want to tag them. This task I worked on it on my own, so I'll just click me as the only person, and I'm going to do the same for the next 2 assignments. November 2nd for a due date. Not started. I'll leave everything else the same. I'll give it a quick description. And I'm going to tag Juan and Chris for this one because we're all 3 working on this one together. And when I tag them, they will get an email stating that they are part of this task. So they know that we are all working on it together. I'll leave everything else the same for that. I'll just add another description. Now if I decide that I don't have to do assignment number 3, I'll click it, and we have a delete box. Click on delete, and we can delete that assignment. So that was the easy way of creating tasks. You can put a task on the outside as well. You can just create all your tasks and then decide what group you want to put them in. So let's just say I decided I want to add another one to, and then I look at it and realize that's not where I want it. I put it right back over on this end. It's very simple. You can move them, organize them however you like. You can have different colors. If you decide that you created a group that you don't need, click on this end, hit delete, it's gone. We also have list view, activity view, but I prefer the group view because I'm more of a visual worker, so I can see the circles and it's a lot easier for me to work that way. I'm going to move these, get them a little closer, and then once I am done, you can go over on this side to log out. Now that was DropTask. It's perfect for students. It's perfect for your office. I definitely would try it out. Try it with your students. Have them add their homework assignments to it and they can work together as a group. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.